all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Myself, Rubini Daniel. In today's session, we are going to see about the topic tree. Subject Fundamental of Algorithm, class 2nd year BSc Computer Science. So in today's class we are going to discuss introduction to tree, node, leaf, parent, root, binary tree and binary tree traversal. First we are going to see about introduction to tree. So far we have discussed mainly linear data structure like strings, array, list, stack and queue. Now we are going to discuss about non-linear data structure that is called tree. We know that there are two types of data structure, one is linear and non-linear. So tree is coming under non-linear data structure. Trees are mainly used to represent data containing a hierarchical relationship between elements. For example, you can say record, family trees and table of content. Consider a parent-child relationship. Now you can see here the tree which represent family tree, that is a parent and child relationship. So for example you can see that is Suresh, then Sunita, Samir and Sahil. They are child, sub-child. Then Sunita. So Sunita is having child Rahul and Tina. Samir is having only one child, that is Mala. Then Sahil is having two child, that is Pooja and Nikita. Like this you can represent in the form of tree, that is a parent and child relationship. Now we are going to see in detail about the tree. So tree is an abstract model of a hierarchical structure that consists of nodes with a parent-child relationship. Tree is a sequence of nodes. There is a starting node known as root node. So we are having the tree. So starting node. So starting node known as root node. So every node other than a root as a parent node. So every node other than root node, it is having a parent node. So node may have any number of children. Okay, it can have any number of children. So now you can see here an example. So A has a 3 children, that is a B, C, D, and B is then A is having 3 children, that is B, C and D. So A is parent of B. Okay, this is a good example of tree. Now next you can see a tree. Here the root is there, then left subtree is there, then right subtree is there. You can see here root. Root denotes A. Then we are having the left child, that is B. So left child is D and right child is E. Then D is having the right child, that is H. So like this we can denote the left child and right child in the tree. So in detail we can see first some key terms. What is a root? What is a parent? What is a child? What is a sibling? Okay, first we want to know the explanation about this. Okay, first root. Root means root node at the top of the tree. So root means top of the tree. This is the root, okay, which is the top of the tree. That is called root. Then parent. Parent means any node except root node as one edge upward to a node is called parent. Then child. Child means the node below a given node connected by edge of downward is called a child node. Then we are having sibling. So sibling means child of a same node. Child of a same node, that is called sibling node. So already we have seen about the leaf. Leaf is a very important. Leaf means the node which does not have any child. So in the tree we are having one concept, that is leaf. Leaf means what? The node which is not having any child, that is called leaf. Then we are having subtree. Subtree represents of a node. Okay, we are having left subtree, right subtree, then levels. Level 0, level 1, level 2, like this levels are there. You can see here. Level 1, level 0, level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay, so the levels will be there in the tree. Okay, then we can see more key terms. In the tree we are having more key terms, that is degree of a node, degree of a tree, path, height of a node, height of a tree, depth of a tree. Now, degree of a node. The degree of a node is the number of children of that node. So, the degree of a node is that number of a children of that node. Then degree of a tree. Degree of a tree means what? The degree of a tree is the maximum degree of a node in a given tree. Path means what? It is a consecutive edges from source node to destination node. That will be the path. Height of a node. The height of a node is the maximum path length from that node to a leaf node. Then height of a tree. Height of a tree is nothing but it is the height of the root. Then depth of a tree. Depth of a tree is nothing but it is a maximum level of any leaf in the tree. Then you can see here a representation. Here A is the root node, B is the parent of E and F, D is the sibling of B and C, E and F are children of B, then E, F, G, D are external nodes of leaves. Okay, you can see here. Then this E, F, G, all these are leaf because E, F, G, the node E, F, G are not having any child node. So that is a leaf node. Okay, now we can see the characteristics of tree. So tree already we know that it is a non-linear data structure. Okay, so it is having the advantages of for an ordered array. Then it is searching is very fast in this. Then insertion and deletion also fast in the tree, and it is a simple also fast. So application, you can that application it can be used in the directory structure of a file store. Then you can use for structure of an arithmetic expression. Then you can use this for a 3D video game, and you can use for a router table, and you can use for the for this compression algorithm such as .jpg files, .mp3 files format. And we can see now binary tree. Now we know what is tree. Now we are going to see about the binary tree. A binary tree is a tree in which no node can have more than 2 children. So it is having some rule, that is a binary tree is a tree in which no node can have more than 2 children. So it should have only 2 children. So 0 node or 1 node or 2 node. More than 2 node is not allowed in the binary tree. So binary tree means what? It should have maximum 2 children or 2 node. So consider a binary tree T. Here A is the root node of the binary tree T. So B is the left child of A and C is the right child of A. That is A is father of B and C. That node B and C are called siblings. So node D, H, I, F, J are leaf node. You can see here this A is called root node. B and C, this is the left subtree and right subtree. So B is the parent of D and E. C is the parent of F and J. Okay, now you can see H, I, J. H, I, J are called leaf node because H, I, J, they are not having any node. Okay, that is called leaf because they are not having any node. H, I, J, they are called leaf. Leaf. Now we are going to see binary tree. In this we are having many types. That is a binary tree with 1 node, binary tree with 2 node, binary tree with 2 nodes, binary tree with 3 nodes. Now we can see binary tree. First you want to see the root. We know a root, then we are having the left subtree, then we are having the right subtree. Now we are going to see a very important thing is traversal. Binary tree traversal. Traversal means nothing but that we are going to search an element. Okay, so how we can search in that binary tree? Already know binary tree is there. So binary tree may root will be there, left child will be there, right child will be there. So binary tree traversal. Here it can be done in 3 ways. One is in order traversal, pre-order traversal, post-order traversal. So you can see here one representation of tree, that is you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a representation of a tree. So here we are going to see about the in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, post-order traversal. First you want to know what is in-order traversal. In means what? Between. So in-order traversal, first you will be seeing the left child. So you want to traverse the left subtree, then you want to traverse the root. Then afterwards you will be traversing the right child. So in the concept of in-order, first you will be looking of left child, then root, then right. Okay, then pre-order. Pre-order. Pre means what? Before. So before we will be seeing the root, then we will be looking after the left child, then right child. So first we will be visiting the root node, then we will be traversing the left subtree, then we will be traversing the right subtree. Then post order. Post order matlab means what? Post order means after. Okay, so first we will be seeing the left child, then right, then we will be going on root. Okay, so now we can see the example now in-order traversal. So in-order traversal, what is the concept? First we will be going for left subtree, then root, then right. Okay, so first we want to in order, first we want to see the left child. So here left child is 7. So left child is but you want to see the right, that is 9. Then again you are going for the left child 4. Then again you are going for the root 2. Then 5, then 1, then 3, 6, 8. So pre-order traversal. In pre-order traversal, the concept is root, left, right. So what is the root here? 1 is the root. Then you want to go for the 2, 4, then 7, then 9, 5, 3, 6, 8. So how we are doing? We are doing based on the pre-order traversal. So concept of the pre-order traversal is first we will be going for root, then we will be going for the left child, then we are going for the right child. So post order. So post order traversal means what? That is for after. Okay, so post order traversal after means that is in the end we are going to do the traversaling of the root. So first we will be looking after the left child, then right, then we will be going for the root. So first we want to see the left subtree, then 9, 7, 4, 2, 8, 6, 3, then 1. So now in this concept, in order traversal. So in order means what? Left subtree, then root, then right subtree. Pre-order means what? First you want to traverse the root, then left, then right. Post order traversal means left, right, then root. Okay, this is the concept of in order traversal, pre-order traversal, post order traversal. In order traversal, first you want to see the left, root, right. Pre-order, first you want to see the root, left subtree, right subtree. In post order traversal, first you want to see the left subtree, right subtree, then you want to traverse the root. So this is the three traversal, that is in order traversal, pre-order traversal, post order traversal. So in today's class we have discussed about the introduction to tree. What is a tree? Tree is a non-linear data structure. What is node? What is a leaf? Leaf means the node which is not having the child. Then what is the parent? Okay, what is the root? What is the binary tree? Binary tree means the tree which is having maximum 2 node. That is the binary tree. Then we have discussed a very important thing, traversal, that is in order traversal, post order traversal and pre order traversal. In today's class we have discussed about this. Thank you.